Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today was a super easy day, one of the easiest days I've ever traded on. And Bank Nifty, hardly moved in a 100 to 150 point range. So what we'll try to do, we'll try to discuss what we discussed on the weekly analysis front, what happened today, and what today's movement can mean for the coming 2 days. Because if you remember, Friday we have another holiday, and we have just 2 more days to go for closing the FY. So we'll try to look at all of it. And also we'll try to see what happens at the year end every year most probably. Cool, so let's get started. I'll take you to the Bank Nifty chart and we'll do the weekly daily 15-minute analysis as always for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. I won't be doing Fin Nifty analysis as we don't trade Fin Nifty. So I won't cover that analysis in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so first let's revisit weekly analysis में क्या बात किया था हमने. We discussed कि एक small range में Bank Nifty was trading on the weekly front. एंड हो सकता है कि बैंक निफ्टी करंटली वेंट अप हैज टेकन अ रीटेस्ट इन द लास्ट वीक. ये जो लास्ट वीक की कैंडल है बुलिश कैंडल है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेनेवर वी गेट अ बुलिश कैंडल, ओके, द व्यू इज ऑलवेज बुलिश द नेक्स्ट वीक. सो व्हाट वी डिस्कस्ड ऑन द वीकली फ्रंट, वी एक्सपेक्ट ऑल दीस पुट्स टू गो टू जीरो. ये हमारा एनालिसिस था, ओके. एंड ऊपर में कॉल साइड में ऑल्सो वी न्यू कि ये जो ऊपर के जोन है ये भी कॉल जीरो जाने चाहिए. तो काफी इजी, मतलब सुपर इजी डे था दिस वाज. You just had to sell a triangle and sit. And most probably, even this week, in the next 2 days, we expect market last 2 weeks range के इसमें ही trade करना चाहिए. That's what we expect from the market. So currently on the weekly front, okay, अगर हमारा bias bullish है, okay, अगर हमारा bias bullish है, then last week के high के ऊपर we have to go, and so then we can start to think more bullish. So what is last week's high? Last week's high comes up to 47,000 approximately. Yeah, so keep it in your mind. जब भी 47,000 आएगा, आप आपके दिमाग में याद रखना कि 47,000 के ऊपर अगर strong candle से it's going, मुझे सिर्फ bullish खेलना है फिर. Keep that in mind. Cool. So we discussed on the weekly time frame, the bias was bullish, and most probably it could go sideways within the last 2 weeks high low. And we expected puts to go to zero, all these strikes, and calls also to go to zero. ये हमारा लॉजिक था. Now let's move on to the daily chart. डेली चार्ट पे फर्स्ट थिंग लेट्स डिस्कस द मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, स्ट्रक्चर इज पॉजिटिव बिकॉज द लोज आर शिफ्टिंग अपवर्ड. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इफ मार्केट हैज कम डाउन, gone up, and again if it breaks this low at this point, I'll tell you the zone of it. 45,800 below that, okay, below that we'll have a bearish view, correct? So daily time frame पे will be bearish below 45,800. तब तक के लिए, अभी के लिए मुझे कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास bearish sign दिख नहीं रहा है. See, because the structure is positive, okay, because the lows are shifting upward, हो सकता है it has come down and it will resume its upward journey, correct? So I'm waiting daily में एक higher high दिखने के लिए. मुझे जब higher high दिखेगा at this point we can play bullish. Very simple, not too complicated. Cool. So if you can see properly, last 5-6 days, okay, we've not got a good candle closing. So no bull or bear is confident enough to close properly, like at the day high, day low, something like that. So हमको रोज indecision वाली candle मिल रही है. Indecision वाली candle means like our bets can't be aggressive as traders. Okay, we need like someone to win for us to bet on. So we'll wait patiently. Like let's see, wherever it breaks, we'll be trading there. Okay, so now let's go on the 15-minute front and analyze Bank Nifty. See, first thing I want to tell you, Bank Nifty is trading in a rectangle range. Okay, this rectangle, wherever it breaks, either upside or if it breaks on the downside, ये rectangle का length I'll measure. The length of the rectangle is coming up to 400 points. So I'll tell Nikki to make a very good video on rectangles, okay? But you'll come to know the power of rectangles, and wherever the rectangle breaks, minimum we expect 400 point movement there, because वो rectangle का high to low range उतना है. Cool. So now we are waiting for that, where it's going to break. It's pretty simple, but I'll tell you one more thing. Remember this day market came down, came up, so 3-way move it came. First down, then up, and then again down. This was 20th March. So after 20th March, market closed around 46,300, okay, and then it gapped up with a 500 point gap, correct? So what can happen, market, since it gapped up, when it comes here for the first time, it may take some support in this zone. अगर नीचे आता है तो हाई पॉसिबिलिटी है नीचे आके ऊपर जा सकता है. तो बी वेरी कॉशियस इन दिस जोन पर्टिकुलरली. That's like 46,400 to 46,250 wala zone. In this zone, if market comes, there's a high chance market can take support at least one time. Next on the upside, okay, if this rectangle breaks on the upside ka case let's study now. If it breaks with a strong candle, then minimum 400 points we can expect on the upside. Now I'll tell you what is aided this logic, what helps this logic, because see year end hai, so what these mutual fund houses and all they do, they want to boost their figures, okay? So usually like saal ke end mein we see some good buying. So let's see if they want to make their data better, they have to do some sort of buying. So let's see if this happens, like we'll be trading on the upside then, if we get a breakout of that. Cool, so that was Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was pretty simple. I made it as simple as I could. Now let's discuss Nifty. Nifty, like also like our view was, okay, last 2 weeks high low, it should be trading in that range. And last week was a bullish candle. So Nifty mein we are waiting for it to go above 22,200 level. Okay, 22,200. Above this, like if our bias is bullish, then at least market should go above last week's high. So with this condition, above 22,200, we can start to expect an up move again, very proper. For a down move in Nifty on the weekly front, we need at least it to break 21,710. So 21,700 when it breaks in the downside in the weekly time frame, maybe, you know, then we can start thinking something bearish. So on the daily front, see, I think if I remember correctly, I have this one friend who's like a mentor of mine. His name is Pathik Patel. So I remember one tweet of his very properly. Usually there's a small candle, okay? First there's a small candle, then there's an outside bar, and the third day is an inside bar. Usually these things, no, they play out very well. So you get a good move, okay? If I remember his tweet correctly, a very good move comes at the breakout of this candle. So let's see if it comes this time or not. I remember it because I used to make threads, okay, and I remember that tweet of his pretty well. So Nifty, very simple. We've got, even if you don't know the outside candle and inside candle thing, like we are trading in the last candle's range. So today's high and low becomes very important for us. Wherever it breaks, we'll align ourselves with like that direction. Another thing I want to tell you on the daily time frame, see if I simply mark this level 22,100 on the upside. 22,100. Watch this candle, okay? Watch all these candles which I'm drawing. So like whenever market is touching that there, कुछ selling आ रही है and always the candle is coming down, okay? So it's unable to close above this 22,100 level. So whenever we get a candle closing above this, this will be our first indication that market can resume its upward journey, correct? So that's the first thing. Second thing, this is a proper inside candle since a long time. So 22,200 से 21,900 के बीच में market is trading. So inside this range, we are likely to see a non-directional move only. Cool. So in this non-directional zone, like we'll play a direction outside this range in Nifty. So I'm personally waiting for 22,200 on the upside to resume my upward bias, or at least minimum it should close below 21,900. Then we'll see on the downside. And 15-minute time frame pe simple. Last day was a big range, and today we made an inside candle range. So trade at the break of this inside candle. Wherever it breaks, Nikki has made a very good video on inside candles. Please go watch that and then come back to this and let's see how this trade goes. Okay. So that was all from this video of mine. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit the like button. It tremendously helps us to keep doing this analysis, because more than you, I think it helps us because हमारा homework हो जाता है उसमें. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in a video very soon tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.